We have agreed, and that I am abiding by that agreement, that I step down.
In a dramatic twist during the election, one of the candidates for the position of the vice chairman of the Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria bowed out, clearing the path for Mr. Tony Akiotu, the COO of that Communications PLC. This act paved the way for Mr. Tony to emerge as the unchallenged victor, securing the vice chair position.
Those who accept and vote for Mr. Tony Akiotu, he's not yet the chief. Chief, sorry, you did not invite me. Chief Tony Akiotu to be the next vice chairman of BON. Say aye.
Aye. Notably, the Director General of the Nigerian Television Authority, while laying out his vision for the chairman position within the association, declared his unwavering commitment to enhancing the nation's broadcasting standards.
As chairman, I will prioritize collaboration and innovation. We must adapt to ever-changing media landscape while staying true to our principle of accuracy, fairness, and ethical journalism.
Addressing the press following the election, the newly elected chairman, Abdul Hamid Dembos, expressed his awareness of the challenges facing the association and assured that he, along with his vice, would confront them head-on.
I want to assure the members, of course, and Nigerians that the broadcast organizations in this country will give them nothing but the best.
We have to come together. We have to work with our regulator. We have to work with the Ministry of Information and National Orientation and all stakeholders to ensure that broadcasting survives.
The outgoing chairman, Mr. John Ugbe, also encouraged the incoming administration to elevate the organization to even greater heights.
We know what challenges are ahead of us. It's really time for us to work together. We've pushed in the last 2 years. I think we can do much better.
The expectation is that the new administration will breathe fresh life into the vision and mission of the Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria, pushing broadcasting in Nigeria to a position of great influence. Uloma Imachi, ITV News.